Yeah, I'ma bring that look like Buddha. Get out my way like Luda. Fuck whoever trippin', got shooters. Stay yellin' out free scooter. You want that business?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all must hate me, but I'm back out of nowhere. And let me say one thing: do not come for me in the comments because I will cry. Do not come for me. But I'm back with another lace meltdown video for you guys because y'all asked me, so I'm delivering for you guys. So I did the ball cap method. I did that off camera for time's sake, but here I'm just putting a little foundation onto the wig cap to let it blend a little bit more with my skin. And the lace is already cut since I already installed this. I just re-washed the hair, washed my hair, and now we're back again. So I'll be back in another part. So right here I'm just making sure the wig is placed properly before I glue it down, and then I'm gonna take off some braids that I put in my hair when it was drying, and after that let's see what I do next. I almost forgot. While I'm doing that, let's talk about where I got this hair from. This hair is from AliExpress. It's I think Afro Kinky in 18 inches, but it looks really short because you know it's Afro Kinky. And on AliExpress, I believe the hair company is Virgo Hair if you're going to look for this wig. And I did bleach the knots before, but the lace is pretty good, very natural looking, high quality lace. So definitely recommend this wig. Definitely check Virgo Hair Company on AliExpress. Finally, I am applying my Ghost One glue to the wig cap and onto my skin. And I'm not gonna do all of the perimeter of my head. I'm just gonna do a small section. You always want to do small sections, because if you do the whole thing, the glue is gonna get dry and it's just gonna be a mess. I'm super confused because I'm trying to record in frame while I'm looking down at my mirror. Again, ignore my face, but right here you want to have your blow dryer on cold or cool, or never have it on hot. It's always on cool. And while you're blow drying the glue, you want to comb the lace so that the hair doesn't stick together and so that your lace glued down all of the wig. Now I'm just combing out the hairs to make sure it's not glued down. I'm just combing. Now I'm taking out some baby hairs. I'm combing that the opposite direction because I'm gonna put my headscarf on the lace so it can melt into my skin. So here I'm just pulling out the baby hairs, and some parts of the glue aren't really dry yet, so I'm gonna go over that with my blow dryer, and I'm gonna really get into the lace. Like, I'm really gonna put it down where it's supposed to be so it won't come off. But how is everyone doing? How was your Sunday? Today is a Sunday. And how is everyone doing with the whole election thing and the whole pandemic? Because I've been stressed because I have to do school online, and I'm getting so much work than when I was in school. But look at that lace though, melted. Right here I'm just using alcohol, 50% alcohol, to clean around my hairline to make sure all the excess glue is off, because I did get some glue on my skin. So I'm just using alcohol to clean that off. And you don't gotta worry, it's not really gonna lift up your lace or mess up anything. It's just taking off some water to just comb the hair back from any flyaways. And I'm sorry I didn't really wet the hair or show you the curl pattern, but I'll try to insert a pic at the end of the video. I just didn't want to get the hair wet because I was going to bed anyways, and you know it's 4C 4B type of hair, so the curl pattern is pretty defined. So here you want to use a silk head wrap or headband, and you want to tie it really tight on your head. This is what's gonna melt the lace, and you want to keep it on for a good amount of hours before you take it off. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.